Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share some basic techniques that will definitely help you in the drawing. The first step is really important, holding the pencil. Usually we hold pencil from this position, but that's not right. When you have to draw, you have to hold it back, just right here. Okay, one more time. When you're holding a pencil, you have to, don't pick from here, it's supposed to be here. Okay. First, we have to draw a line. Usually, sometimes we draw like this. No. When we hold pencil near about, our line will be really shorter and it can be a dip, dip, dip. But when we hold from little far, you see there is more space to grow and do, and the lines are more straight. And we can just draw a few more number of times, and it should be really smooth and straight when we're holding it from the back. Now we will do the curve. When we use this point, the curve is just like this, the short and broken. Okay. When we're making a curve, we have to use our waist like this. Not just our finger, our hand. Just look carefully. I'm moving my hand, not my fingers. And it's look much more smoother, and the cover area is also bigger. I'm taking another sheet. The next step, we are drawing the circles. Again, I'm saying we don't need to hold the pencil from here for the circles. When we draw like this, it's not smooth and it cannot be a proper shape. We have to use our hand like this to draw. If you see like this, it's just free hand, and you can just draw a number of circles and it's overlapping again and again, and this is the right way to do it. Now the next, when we are doing the shadings, how we have to hold the pencils. This is all the basic things I'm telling, how to hold the pencil, how to use. You have to be free hand and really light. You don't need to press your pencil so hard when you are drawing any shape, any structure, any figure. You have to be really soft and smooth and use your free hand. Now, when we are drawing some figure, anything, how we shade on that. Okay. We usually hold the pencil like this and just do a shading like this. No, that's not the right way. This is wrong. We have to put our pencil right here and put your one finger here and just grab this like this. And this is how you need to shade you. This is right. You get this point? This is really important for the shading technique, how you hold your pencil and how you move it. Okay? Once again, I'm repeating, this is not correct. You don't need to use your point to shade anything. It will be really pointed and it will not give you any good effect. You have to hold your pencil like this and just really softly, smoothly, and just gradually go down, and it's gonna do like this. Now, one more important thing, to understand the light effect. When we are doing shading, the most important thing is to check from which direction the light is coming. If you look this glass, the light was coming from the right side, and this is the glass. You see this area, there is more light. Here, the light is medium shade, and here is more darker. When we're drawing an object from this area, there's a glass like this, and just be drawing the basic shape. As you see, there is more light here, so this part will be really light, and I see a little whiteness here also on this area, and this area, this is gonna be really light, this is gonna be the medium shade, and this is gonna be the really dark. You understand? And the shadow was going back. How you understand the light? And this is also going to be the lighter one. You understand? When we are making any figure, any shape, we have to check the light effect. Accordingly, we have to do the shading. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to shade the basic shapes. For this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.